if I don't have anything on my face, I at least want to do my brows. I find that when I use less product, I don't need a ton of powder. Hey girl, welcome back. We're about to do a very, and I mean very, natural, realistic summer face. I've done a few of these on my channel, but I haven't done one that actually makes me look like this. Like I have nothing on the face, and that's the look that I'm going for because realistically, that's what I do. Like if I want to go somewhere, but if I want to put something on the face, I try to make it look as natural as possible because I don't want to wear a lot of makeup since it's hot outside. So that is what we're going for today. Little to no product, but a little bit more elevated. Yeah. Now, I already did my skincare this morning, but I haven't put on my sunscreen, and y'all know that is a necessity. So I'm going to go ahead and put on the Isdin Eryfotona Ageless Ultra Light Emulsion. I'm very happy to be partnering with Isdin in today's video to share this sunscreen with you guys, as well as a few other products that they sent over. This was actually one of my favorite products out of the few, but I'll definitely show you guys all the other ones after I go ahead and apply this sunscreen. So first thing I want to do is, of course, shake it up. You guys have seen me apply sunscreen 1,000,001 times. Some of you ask me why I don't put it on 2 fingers, but I feel like it's honestly the same amount, but I'm going to show you guys how it looks if I were to apply it on 2 fingers. So again, this is the Eryfotona Ageless Ultra Light Emulsion. This is a 100% mineral sunscreen with SPF 50. So I like the sunscreen because not only does it protect the skin, it also repairs and corrects. And what I mean by repair is it addresses previous sun damage and it supports collagen in the skin to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And since this one is their tinted sunscreen, it helps even the tone and corrects visible imperfections. All right, so now that we have it all rubbed in, this is what my skin is looking like. And just to show you guys a few more products from Isdin, they have their mineral brush on the go facial powder. This has SPF 50. So if you like to powder your face throughout the day, this is like the perfect purse essential. Just throw it in your makeup bag and go, and all you do is just brush it all over your face. It's a silky smooth fine powder, and keep in mind it's going to give you a matte finish. Now if you prefer a non-tinted sunscreen, they have their Eryfotona Actinica Ultra Light Emulsion, and this is also a 100% mineral sunscreen with SPF 50. This one is fast absorbing and it gives your skin a silky smooth finish. They also included their soft gel capsules, which are their dietary supplements that help skin fight photo aging. And the last thing I have is their Age Contour Cream. So this cream is designed for face and neck rejuvenation. So yeah, those are all of the gifted products from Isdin. I will have everything I shared down below in the description if you guys want to check them out. Now let's go ahead and apply the rest of the face, even though we're not going to use a lot of product. I, of course, want to do my brows because, I mean, I feel like brows, like, if I don't have anything on my face, I at least want to do my brows. Like, at least want to have my brows done. I'm going to use this Mented brow pencil to polish my brows up. I don't want to be too heavy-handed because I don't want a lot of product on the face, so I think that's good enough. Give you guys a side-by-side comparison with the brow pencil, without the brow pencil, and then I'm just going to take the spoolie and just kind of blend that brow pencil into the brows. Okay, so now that I've gotten my brows to look as natural as possible with the brow pencil, we are going to go in with the smallest, and when I say the smallest, I mean the smallest amount of concealer under the brow. I'm not going to do as much as I usually do, even though I don't use a lot. I feel like I just need to just take just a little dab, just dip. That much, and then just lightly go right up under my brow on the outside of it. Not like, I didn't put any product right here on the inner corner, which I usually do, but I'm just going to put a little bit on the out in the middle where it arch, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And after I do that, I'm going to wipe the brush off on my napkin. And then I'm just going to go back over where I applied that concealer and just kind of blend it out. That way I don't have to use my sponge to blend out the concealer because I barely put anything on. Usually I have to take a sponge to blend out the rest of the concealer because I have so much on under there. But this is perfect without having to go back in with my sponge to blend out that concealer. All right, my lips were getting too dry. My lips be getting dry so quick. This is a good gloss for summer because it has SPF in it. This is the Neutrogena Jelly Hydro, what is it? Moisture Shine Lip Soother. And it has SPF 30. And when I tell y'all this is so glossy, it smells like Jolly Ranchers. Bomb. This one is Gleam 40. Really nice. Now let's move on to complexion. I'm going to use a skin tint today. I'm going to go in with the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Serum Skin Tint. So you guys would have probably already seen my first impression on this. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it because I'm filming that right now. And then I'll come back once this is on the face. All right. So we just applied this serum on the face. And this is how my skin is looking. Now I'm going to use the Mented full-time brightening concealer, and I'm putting a really tiny dot on the inner corner of my eyes like that, and that's it. Usually I'll take more of the product and just rub it in under my eyes, but we're not doing that today. We're just doing that much. We're not putting any on the center of my face, just those 2 dots. And I'm gonna take let's just take my finger and press it in. I'm taking the pinky finger and just pressing it in under the eyes. And then I'm gonna take it on my lid. I find that when I use less product, I don't need a ton of powder. Look at the difference. This side versus this side. Still looks natural, but a little bit more elevated. Now I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Now usually I'll get a powder to go up under the eyes to brighten it up even more, like my Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom or the Sephora translucent powder. But instead of doing that, I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. This is in the shade Dark. And I'm going to take my sponge because this isn't going to really brighten the eyes. This is more like a finishing powder. I just want something to just set that concealer without brightening it up even more, because I'm still trying to go for that same no makeup look, because I feel like when I use those powders, it just makes it even more brighter under the eyes, and it makes me want to put on more product on the face, like more product to help give me more definition. When I put this on, it just looks like one color, you know? If you feel like this isn't enough coverage for you, you can still go in with concealers. So like right here, I have this Sephora Acne. It's the Clear and Cover Acne Treatment Salicylic Acid Concealer. I use this to spot conceal, but I didn't do that today because I just wanted to use the skin tint. But if you want, you can still go in with another concealer just to spot conceal, because I can still see a little bit of my spots peeking through the serum, but I'm okay with that. So I'm gonna take the spoolie on the brow pencil one more time because I kind of bumped the brows while I was putting on the products. Guess what we're not using today? Take a wild guess. Just guess what we're not using on the face today. Y'all are gonna be shocked. We're not using bronzer. We are just keeping it very plain Jane today. Like, this is pretty much all I'm doing. Well, I'm gonna put on some mascara, and then I'm gonna pop on the smallest amount of blush, and I'll be done. This is the Myricks mascara. All right, so we're done with mascara. I'm gonna put on just a little bit of the DIOR blush in the shade Berry. This is one of their newer shades. And we are just gonna place it on the apples of the cheeks. Realistically, I wear sunglasses all the time in the summer when I'm out and about. And you're not gonna really see, like, you ain't gonna really see my face like that. That's why I didn't put eyeshadow on, because of sunglasses, and then I'll be wearing hats too, so yeah. I'm putting a little bit more of that Neutrogena gloss on my lips just to give me more shine and juice. I'm telling y'all, this is like the perfect summer lip product to have. But that's it, y'all. That is it. Just to give me extra glow, I will take my Tatcha Dewy Mist. And then I'm going to take the bottom of my sponge to kind of press it in. Okay. That is what I call my realistic, everyday summer face. Because it looks like it did before, but it's just a little bit more elevated with a little product on the face. Not much, but just enough. So hope you guys enjoyed this simple everyday summer makeup look. Let me know if you've tried any of these products, and also let me know if you tried anything from Isdin. Again, I will have all the products that I mentioned down below in the description. Thank you again to the team over at Isdin for sponsoring today's video. Let me know what your current summer makeup routine is, what products you use. Let's talk about it down below in the comments. But that is it. Thank you again for hanging out. If you enjoyed today's video, give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next one.